Today we're going to have a look at G-code verification inside SolidCam. As you can see here, I've got the night part from the Pocket NC. At the back of it, the main has got some complex 5-axis milling. In here it's important that I make sure that these toolpaths are absolutely perfect, as we're going to use a 1/2 mm cutter and it's going to easily break. What we do is export the G-code straight from SolidCam with the model and the machine model as well. It will take into account this in Eureka. As you can see, this has been brought straight in, and as I press play, the G-code is automatically read, set the tool to the correct size, and then gone and started machining, exactly as we would see on the machine itself. The benefit of Eureka is that if I ever do make an error, I can catch this quickly and it's in a virtual environment, not on the machine where it may require a new piece of stock or worse, a new tool. As you can see, I can jump up and down the code base as well. I can start from any point that I would like to. So if you've got a long section of code, you might want to start, a fair way down, and that can be done as well. Since Eureka takes an exact model of the machine and the same kinematics, we can also use a MDI function, or just program in manually if wished be. And any code on the right hand side can be altered, reran and resimulated to check if there's any errors that you want to manually program in. They can be done also. Another thing that Eureka can do really well is then also take the machine stock that you've just got and then compare that to the actual part that you want to machine as well, giving you a second line of verification if the part is exactly the size you want it to be. Eureka is not only useful for 5-axis parts, it can also do lathes and mill turn machines equally as well. And if there's anything else that you would like to know further about Eureka, please visit our website at www.solidsolutions.co.uk.